As GoPros become increasingly popular for capturing high-action adventures, the need for reliable, protective, and travel-friendly cases has surged. Whether you're a travel vlogger, extreme sports enthusiast, or casual explorer, a good GoPro case ensures your gear stays safe and organized. This guide evaluates top camera cases based on build quality, water resistance, internal layout, accessory storage, and overall value for money. List number: Lekufee waterproof hard case compatible with GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, Media Mod Volta Creator. The Lekufee waterproof hard case stands out for serious GoPro users who carry multiple accessories. Made with high-density EVA foam and a rugged hard-shell exterior, this case provides excellent shockproof and waterproof protection. It fits GoPro Hero 13 down to Hero 8, as well as Media Mod Volta and Creator Edition accessories. The custom-cut foam securely holds each item in place, while the inner mesh pocket adds room for cables or batteries. Its compact yet functional design makes it great for travel. List 2. JSVER hard case for GoPro cameras. Carrying case for Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and Akaso EK7000 Brave 4. The JSVER hard case is a budget-friendly, all-purpose GoPro case with universal compatibility, including older Hero models and popular Akaso action cams. Its durable EVA shell offers solid impact resistance, and the pre-cut foam inserts keep your camera and accessories neatly organized. Inside, you'll find a zippered mesh pouch for cables and memory cards, despite its affordable price. List number: FitStill underwater waterproof diving housing for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, black, 60 meters, 196 feet. If underwater footage is your priority, the FitStill diving housing is a game changer. Designed to handle extreme depths of up to 196 feet, 60 meters, this rugged case protects your GoPro in deep-sea environments. It's built with high-strength PC material and includes a tight waterproof seal, ideal for diving, snorkeling, and surfing. Unlike standard travel cases, this housing is made to stay on your GoPro while filming. It also maintains full access to camera functions, thanks to the precision-cut design. List number: LTGEM Action Camera Case, compatible with DJI Osmo Action 5, Pro, 4, or 3 or GoPro Hero. The LTGEM Action Camera Case offers exceptional protection and cross-compatibility for those who switch between GoPro and DJI cameras. Its semi-hard EVA shell resists shocks, pressure, and splashes, making it travel-ready for both land and water adventures. The interior is intelligently designed with foam cutouts and a secure mesh compartment, providing ample storage for your action camera and essential accessories. List 5. TELESIN Carry Case Travel Bag for GoPro Max, Hero Series, Insta360 X Series, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Versatility is the name of the game with the TELESIN Carry Case. Built for multi-device users, this case accommodates GoPro Max, Hero 13 through 5, Insta360 models, and DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Its large capacity is ideal for creators with a wide range of gear, offering configurable dividers and a mesh compartment to keep everything neat. The water-resistant outer layer and high-density foam interior ensure your equipment stays secure during travel. Whether you're vlogging across continents or just need to carry a lot of accessories,